Femi, Jessica, it's time for you to stop buying those courses on how to create a course and start creating. You've drawn in so much knowledge to the extent that you don't even know where to start your creation process. Why don't you jump on this 10 days to 100K challenge, which will help you to turn your knowledge about public speaking, video editing on smartphones, and many more into a money-making information product. I know you want more gist. This is it. For 10 days, we'll all be in a room live, starting from the 23rd of October to the 3rd of November. You will learn how to come up with a product idea, how to know if people will pay for the idea, how to craft irresistible product titles, what format should you create your information product, and how to automatically deliver your product without having technical or coding skills. So how much does this cost? It is absolutely free. You will get a daily guide every weekday for 10 days from 8 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. West African time till you create your first hot-selling digital product. Oga, where you dey go? You did not ask for the venue. It will be happening live in a private Telegram group. Just click on the link below to join immediately. It's not only at the top. Come join us.